Okay, let's have sample problem for module 2, no? So meron tayo ditong standard altimeter indicates 15,000 feet when the ambient temperature is 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Calculate the density, altitude, and temperature altitude. So first is sulat muna natin yung given. So meron tayong standard altimeter. So pag sinabing altimeters o altimeter, ang mini-measure niyan is the pressure. So, pressure nag-reflect doon sa panel ng aircraft at 15,000 feet. So, meron kang height na 15,000 feet. Pero, it is for altimeter lang. So, next is yung ambient temperature. So, 35 degrees Fahrenheit. So, kung ito yung aircraft mo, no? Flying at 15,000 feet, no, from the sea level, yung ambient temperature naman is yung nasa surroundings ng aircraft. No? So, meron kang 15,000 feet, may ambient temperature na measure is 35 degrees Fahrenheit. So, convert muna natin to sa absolute units. That is 35 plus 460. So, meron tayong temperature of 495 Rankine. So, hinahanap, no, ang required is the density altitude. So, that is H sub rho and H sub T, the temperature altitude. So, paano mo kukunin yan? Pag sinabi kasi na pressure altitude, density altitude, no, by modules, it is indicated altitude on the altimeter para sa pressure. Sa density naman, it is defined as pressure altitude corrected for non-standard temperature variation, and temperature altitude is the altitude correspond to a temperature reading. So, pwede sila, no, na magkaiba-iba ng value when it comes to numerical, no, para malaman natin kung ano yung reading ng density altitude and temperature altitude compared dun sa altimeter na kung saan ang measure lang is pressure altitude. So first, ang gagawin natin is from the given, makukuha natin yung density. So para magre-reverse engineering tayo. So dito, no, meron kang 15,000 feet. Kunin muna natin yung pressure at 15,000 feet. So, next page. So, T, no? T is equal to T sub O plus lapse rate times the height. So, dahil 15,000 feet pa lang yan, pasok pa yan sa 11 km to 25 km or sa gradient layer natin. So, T sub O is sea level. So, T is equal to 519 Rankine plus negative 0.003566 Rankine per foot times the given 15,000 feet. So, cancel out, cancel. Temperature is 465.51 Rankine. No? And then kukunin natin yung temperature kasi pressure kasi altimeter. So pressure is equal to or P over P sub O is equal to T over T sub O raised to 5.26. No? So pwede mong gamitin yan. 5.26 diretso na. So P is equal to P sub O, that is 2116.8 . PSF, pounds per feet squared. T is 465.51 Rankine over 519 Rankine raised to 5.26. Okay, so pwede mong gamitin yan 0 to 11, yung 5.26. P is equal to 1194.554979 pounds feet per square foot. Store A. No? So, i-store A natin kasi gagamitin pa natin. So, meron kang pressure, meron kang given na ambient temperature, and ang hinahanap is density altitude. So, kukunin muna natin yung value ng density. So, meron kang pressure. Using the equation of state, P is equal to rho RT and rho is equal to P over RT. So, density is equal to store A, no, pounds force feet squared over R, 1716 foot pound force per slug Rankine times the ambient temperature, that is 495 Rankine. So 495 Rankine. So units dimension cancel out, cancel to, and aangat numerator. So density is 1.406318.404 times 10 raised to negative 3 slug feet cube. Store B. No, store B natin. Okay. Next, alam mo na yung density. So, next naman is magre-reverse engineering ka. So, kailangan kasing makuha is H sub rho, which is the density altitude. So, anong reverse engineering? Kung meron kang equation na rho over rho sub O is equal to T over T sub O raised to 4.26, no? Kailangan mo munang kunin yung T, and then pag nakuha mo yung T, pwede mong i-substitute to T is equal to T sub O plus lapse rate times the height. No? So, yeah, gawin na natin. So, rho over rho sub O equals T over T sub O raised to 4.26. So, malilipat lang to sa bilang side. So, that is rho over rho sub O raised to 1 over 4.26 is equal to T over T sub O. And then T, no, i-equate na natin dito. Rho over rho sub O raised to 1 over 4.26 is equal to T sub O plus lapse rate times the height over T sub O. So, kung ayusin pa natin yan, so, meron tayong rho over rho sub O raised to 1.1 over 4.26 is equal to T sub O plus lapse rate times the height over T sub O. So, multiply both sides by T sub O. So, T sub O, cancel. T sub O plus lapse rate times the height is equal to T sub O rho over rho sub O raised to 1 over 4.26. And then, pwede natin itong ilipat, no, sa kabila, ang T sub O. So, lapse rate times the height is equal to T sub O rho over rho sub O raised to 1 over 4.26 minus T sub O. And divide, no, by lapse rate. So, maka-cancel out to. So, ang equation mo is this one, no, to get the density altitude. So, again, ang equation, H sub rho is equal to T sub O P over P sub O. Okay. Rho over rho sub O raised to 1 over 4.26 minus T sub O over the lapse rate. So, that is 519 Rankine, store B, slug, feet cube, and 0.002377 slug, feet cube, raised to 1 over 4.26 minus 519 Rankine over negative 0.003566 that is Rankine over feet. So, cancel out. Cancel ang Rankine. Meron kang units na feet for density altitude. So, H sub rho is equal to 0.002377 raised to 1 over 4.26, okay, minus 519, and then negative 0.003566. So, ang sagot is 16, no? 16,899.54463 feet. So, that is your density altitude. Para naman sa temperature altitude, no? Gagamitin natin yung ambient na binigay, ambient temperature. Hindi mo gagamitin ang nakuha mo dito for 65 or yung makukuha mong temperature dito sa density altitude kasi magkakaiba silang reading dun sa instrument. So, sinasabi pag merong magkakaibang reading, ibig sabihin non-standard atmosphere yung nare-read or parang non-standard yung kino-compute natin. Non-standard atmosphere. So, para sa temperature altitude, that is H sub T, and meron kang 495 Rankine. 495 Rankine na given. Okay? So, simply, T is equal to T sub O plus lapse rate times the height. No? So, transpose lapse rate times the height is equal to T minus T sub O over lapse rate. So, H is equal to T minus T sub O lapse rate. And then, T is 495 Rankine minus 519 Rankine over negative 0.003566 Rankine per foot. So, cancel, aangat. So, meron tayong unit of feet. So, temperature altitude is equal to 67 30.22995